Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today, this video, let me show you the MacBook Pro. This is 14-inch 2021. The chip is M1 Max and the RAM is 32 gigabytes. The storage is 512 gigabytes. Okay, you can see the CPU 10 cores and the GPU 24 cores, and the storage is 118 cores, 118 times, and the battery capacity is 97%. Okay, this is the space gray color. You can see no scratches. The speaker grace also no problem, and you can see the keyboard a little bit oily sheen. Okay, the trackpad function no problem. Okay, let me show you the. You can see the keyboard backlight. The keyboard backlight, no problem. And the top cover, no scratches. The logo, no scratches. Okay. And let me show you the back. Okay, you can see the back, no scratches, no problem. And let me show you the charging ports. Okay, you can see the charging ports, no problem. Okay, this corner no problem. This edge also no problem. Okay, this corner no problem. The HDMI no problem. This corner also no problem. Okay, if you want to buy, you contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook, and let me show you the display. Okay, I changed the wallpaper. Okay, you can see the display no problem. The display no problem. And let me change another color, the red color. No problem. Okay, if you want to buy this 14-inch M1 Max, 32 gigabytes and 64 and 512 gigabytes, the storage, you can contact me. Okay, see you in the next video.